Sup guys, you dork said Kevin here, and today I'm gonna try out the re-release of Post Oreos cereal. So this isn't the whole box of Oreos. I took the bag of it out and put it in the kitchen. So I'm gonna taste this. It retired years ago, and I never got a chance to taste it. So I'm gonna see what it will taste like. So let's get that out of the way and get this in here. Alright, so I'm gonna take one piece of Oreo, see what it tastes. This tastes good. I like it. Gonna have another bite before I end the video. That really tastes good. So yeah, that's the ending of the video. So guys, this is You Dork Said Kevin, signing off.